Well met, travelers. Back at it again, day 2 at Universal Orlando Resort. I think today is going to be a mainly Mardi Gras day. We're going to check out the event, see what's going on. I think I'm a little more in the vibe today. Let's get in there. I always love this tower so freaking much. It's just so epic. It's almost like it's in an epic universe. And in we go, folks. Starting at Islands, granted, there's no Mardi Gras here, but I want to see how the crowds are looking over here, and then maybe we'll take the train over to Universal Studios. Oh, that Mosasaurus roll. Busy, busy, busy. And there's apparently a cheer competition or dance competition or something. So this is probably going to be a very chaotic day. Hey, Logan. Well, Islands was absolutely maniacally crowded. So I thought I'd come over here to Studios for a minute and maybe do some things I haven't done before. Because I haven't done everything here, and definitely at least get a ride in on the Mummy. Because it's one of my favorites. All right, I've heard very mixed things about this, but I'm curious. Let's see what it's all about. That was weird. What even is that? It's not a ride. It's nothing. It's a little game. I don't know. I'd be mad if I waited more than a few minutes for that, I tell you what. But it does make me feel villainous, so I'll put these back on. Oh, they're crooked. Maybe we should give this son of a gun one last farewell, huh? What was that beeping just now? Yeah, I'll be honest, I still don't like it, and I'm glad it's leaving. Good riddance. I desperately need a little Mummy in my life. I haven't been on it yet this trip, and it's calling me like Emotep. Got some gumbo, you got beignets and red beans and rice, king cake and such. Cool. Seems like a pretty understated event, to be honest, but I bet it gets crazy during the parade. Nice. Rocky reference. I love the theming on this street. So as you know, I adore the Mummy. It's an incredible ride. I hope it never leaves. And Brendan Fraser is an icon. Also, they were selling just a white t-shirt with Brendan Fraser looking hot on it. I'm tempted. So I know I said I was gonna focus mainly on Mardi Gras at Studios, but I'll be honest with you. It's a pretty understated event, I'm assuming, until the parade when things pop off, and I was getting kind of bored. So I'm going back over to Islands. I got a little after 4 p.m. express perk, so we're gonna use that and get on some cool stuff. There's a little Universal pro tip for you, by the way. On most days, if you go to customer service when it starts to get into the afternoon, you can ask them to sell you a after 4 p.m. express pass, and it's like half the price of the normal pass. Only works after 4 p.m. obviously, but a lot of people don't know that. Also, it's warm. Let's go get on Dudley Do-Right. Hope this isn't copyrighted. I haven't been on this in years. Yep, that'll do it. It feels really good though. And what a fun ride. I forgot how fun that ride is. It's been years. I love that ride. It's hot. River Adventure will always be charming and a classic, but I really think it's due for a refurbishment. Those animatronics are looking rough.
Anybody else feeling brave? All right, if you want to pet her, hold out your hand like this. Let her sniff you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120,
most ungracious hosts.
Good. And maybe they'll leave.
Out one moment and find themselves on the hall.
All right, let's see if actually we can get multiple rides on this in a day for once. Well, the sun has started to go down. This park is so beautiful, dude. I'm gonna get the most out of this express pass, and I'm waiting for the sun to fully go down for that sweet Velocicoaster night ride that I have never gotten, never once. Why not? Might as well. Night vibes. Night vibes are the best at parks. Anyway, we're mad dashing to Veloci. Beautiful. All right, time to mother heckin' do this. Well, travelers, I think that's just about going to do it for tonight. It's been a fun day. The Velocicoaster night ride was just chef's kiss. Making out with another chef's kiss. And they're both on Velocicoaster. Just, ugh. Honk I liked a little better at night. It's still shaky and rattly though. And listen, I know these last two videos have been a little disjointed and I don't seem as smooth as normal, but as I probably already told you, some stuff happened and I'm getting my sea legs again in regard to making videos. Also, this lighting is horrific. Oh well. That's gonna do it, travelers. I really appreciate you coming along. I'm afraid the algorithm is mad at me because I took that break. So if you could like, share, subscribe, share with your ex, share with your grandma, be real annoying about it. And travelers, until we meet again, Godspeed. Night vibes. It's right there. There's the fucking Grand Helios. It's right there. There's fucking Monsters Unleashed right there. But I can't go to it. I just have to look at it.